Vizcom Workbench is now in public beta. To begin using Workbench, simply click the Workbench button in the bottom left corner of your Vizcom Brush Studio. This will open up an infinite canvas where you can work on more complex projects. By default, the first image on your Workbench will be the image you are working on in your Brush Studio. To move around the infinite canvas, press the spacebar and click and drag at the same time. To zoom in, use the pinch gesture on trackpads or touch-enabled devices. With a mouse, hold Control on the keyboard and then use the scroll wheel. Alternatively, you can use the zoom controls in the lower right. Clicking on an image will give you the options to edit, download an HD copy, or begin the creation process from the image. Clicking on the three dots will give you more options to arrange or delete images. Clicking Create will add a prompt box that is linked to the image. Here, you can choose between render or refine mode, select the render style, and choose the drawing influence. Then you can type your prompt in the text box. Once you have set your options, you can click the Generate button, which will create one image per click. Clicking multiple times will generate multiple images. You can add multiple prompt boxes to a single image to explore various styles, or try out different prompts based on the same image. This is great for exploring color variations, for example. Clicking the three dots on the Create panel will let you duplicate and delete a prompt box. Once you have generated a few images, you can move them around on the canvas simply by clicking and dragging the images. In addition, you can scale images by clicking and dragging on the bounding box. If you would like to insert other images on the canvas, click the Insert button at the top of the interface. This will bring up the option to insert an image or prompt. Clicking on Image will create a placeholder for an image in the middle of the canvas. If you would like to specify the location of the placeholder, simply click and drag the image icon to a location on the canvas. Then follow the prompt to either start sketching or upload an image you already have. If you click to insert a prompt box, you will need to link the prompt to an image. To do this, click the plus button and drag a line to the image you wish to connect it to. Double-clicking on any image will enter into the Brush Studio, where you will be able to take advantage of more advanced functions such as painting tools, layers, and reference images. To go back to your Workbench, simply click on the Workbench icon once again, and you will return to the infinite canvas. You can also annotate your project with text. Simply select the text tool from the top of the interface and type out some text. This is perfect for labels and annotations and making collaboration with others easy. Speaking of collaboration, Workbench enables team members to work together on the same project simultaneously. Any Workbench project located within a team can be accessed by other members of your team. When other team members enter into the project, you will see them on the canvas. If you click their initials in the top right, you can even follow their viewpoint. Vizcom Workbench is still in beta, and we are constantly improving it. That said, if you have any feedback, feel free to send it to us using the Leave Feedback button. We can't wait to see what you create using Workbench.